Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday Vibe. Yes, that is the AI tool that comes built in with Monday.com that you can use to create whatever app, whatever dashboard that comes to your mind. Let's jump right in so that I can show you how it works. Once you sign into your Monday.com account, guys, look to the upper right and you will find the Vibe icon. Click on the Monday Vibe and that's going to take you right over to this chatbot here where you can simple type whatever you want and let the power of AI create that for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it this simple prompt that says create a YouTube content dashboard and just simple click and build it. So let's just wait for the AI to do its thing and you will see what it actually creates. And that took about 10 to 12 minutes. All right, and there you have it, guys. My app is completely done. No, that took about 15 minutes because I run into some error. If I scroll up, you can see here. So it was building, and then it run into some error, and then I use the AI to actually fix it, right? But this is it. This is actually the app, right? So it's a YouTube content dashboard. As you can see, show total videos, you have published, you have scheduled, you have in progress, you have add new video right here. On the upper right hand side, you can see some buttons here. You can see a profile options here. If you scroll down, you also have some type distribution here, some upcoming content. It is a fully stacked dashboard. I really love it, guys. Really cool, right? So guys, this is it. Very easy and very simple. Use the power of AI to say whatever you want and use Vibe to create it within monday.com. And once you're done, you can simply go ahead and hit publish, or you can click the drop down here and you can see certain plans. Now, the reason I'm not able to publish this is because I'm currently running the free version of monday.com, right? And so if you want to purchase the paid plan, you can easily go ahead and publish your apps and your designs that you have created here. But that's it. How amazing is that, guys? So if you want to take full advantage of Vibe and start creating some amazing apps and dashboard, then you might want to consider subscribing to one of their paid plan, and so that you can get the full functionality of Vibe. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this useful, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Looking forward to see you in the next video.